Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a PUBG drain test for the Pixel 7 Pro here. Just got off 100% charge. We're going to be at full brightness. We are on 1440p as well too. And we're going to be seeing how this phone does. Go ahead and click the start button. We're going to be seeing how this phone does with, you can see the graphics, HDR Extreme. We do have gyroscope on. And we're going to see, like, will this phone start to heat up, or how long can we get? So far, I can tell that the battery life should be better just by watching the standby time. The standby time has increased greatly on this phone compared to the Pixel 6 Pro. So I can already tell. And then you have just a bunch of early kind of reviews going over battery life. And it is pretty good so far, just from the day I've been using it. So pretty impressed with that. As far as PUBG goes, this game plays extremely smooth on here. I have literally no issues at all with performance. I do have, like I said, gyroscope on as well. And yeah, I just want to see, like, how is this phone gonna heat up or anything like that. We'll be watching the temperature. But so far, this is so far very smooth. I do have a gaming test if you guys want to check that out, but we will come back. We'll just keep it going, and we'll come back. Alright guys, we are coming in at the hour mark here, and we are at 83% here. So far we are just warm. We haven't really gotten uncomfortable yet, but 83%, not that bad. It's looking like this might go for around 4 hours of straight gaming. If we get anywhere close to 5 hours, I think that would be pretty decent. But that just goes to show, if we do get to 5 hours, I think just your normal regular screen on time will definitely be, like, you know, well over 6 hours. So this is probably a phone that can easily go, you know, 6-7 hours of screen on time just for the regular person. And so far we're still smooth. No, you know, frame drops or anything like that. This game is running really smooth. Alright guys, we are at the 2 hour mark here, and we're at 65%. And it's still pretty warm here. Like I said, it's really not uncomfortable to the touch here. So this phone does fine when it comes to temperatures and stuff like that. And yeah, I haven't had any frame rate drops or anything like that at all. So far so good. Like I said, it's looking like we might get close to 5 hours actually. I didn't think we were, but we should get somewhat close to 5 hours. Just keep going and we'll see. Alright guys, we are at the 3 hour mark here, and we're at 47%. So this actually might get to 5 hours. So far, still warm. Not really uncomfortable to the touch yet. So far the gaming experience is pretty good on here, honestly. I really don't have an issue with the quality here. It has not lagged really or anything like that. So I'm pretty impressed so far. Like I said, I'll be impressed if it can get past, if it does well over 5 hours. If it can do over 5 hours, I think that's impressive. But typically most of these big sort of flagship phones, they typically are like around the 4 hour, 30-minute mark for gaming. So we are at the 28% and we are at the 4-hour mark. So like I said, it's looking like it'll probably get around maybe close to 5 hours. I'm thinking it'll die probably around 4 hours and 30 minutes. That's what it's looking like, which is really not that bad actually. So it's pretty much on par with other phones. It doesn't look like it's going to be like, super special, battery life. So if it's getting around 4 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time with just straight gaming, then you can expect this phone to easily get, anywhere near 6 hours to 7 hours of screen on time for regular use. But we'll just keep going here. The phone is it's definitely past warm, so it is kind of hot, especially like they have this new metal thing right here. So you put your kind of put your hand right there, like on the new metal rail. It's a little it's still not. I wouldn't say it's uncomfortable, but it is definitely it's past warm for sure. It's not like super uncomfortable where it's burning the hand or anything like that, but it is definitely kind of heating up now. As we are getting close to the 5-hour mark, which surprised me because we're at 10%. So it was able to hit this 5-hour mark here. So it's looking like, roughly it'll probably die in another, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. Like I said, the device it's past warm. It is a bit hot, but it's not it's not like burning, uncomfortable to the touch yet. But it is definitely warm. Well, more than warm. But we'll keep it going and see what we get, and I'll let you guys know when this actually dies. Alright guys, it went ahead and shut off here, so we are at the 5-hour and 37-minute mark for the Pixel 7 Pro here. So it did much better than I thought it was going to do. I thought it was only going to get around that 4-hour 30-minute, but it actually held in there. So we got complete 5 hours 37 minutes of gaming, which I think is extremely good. So be sure to let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.